Maintaining Maintaining supplier relationships involves clear communication, fair business practices, and collaborative efforts to address challenges and ensure a reliable and stable supply chain. How does your company handle cultural diversity within a global workforce? Handling cultural diversity involves cultural sensitivity training, promoting inclusivity, and creating a workplace environment that celebrates and respects diverse cultural backgrounds. Can you discuss your company's approach to crisis prevention and risk management? Crisis prevention involves risk assessments, scenario planning, and implementing proactive measures to mitigate potential risks before they escalate into crises. How does your company contribute to the development of the communities in which it operates? Community development involves philanthropic initiatives, volunteering programs, and partnerships with local organizations to address community needs and contribute to positive change. Could you share examples of successful rebranding or marketing campaigns your company has undertaken? Certainly. Successful rebranding or marketing campaigns involve thorough market research, creative messaging, and strategic execution to effectively communicate the company's value proposition. What steps do you take to ensure fair and unbiased recruitment practices? Ensuring fair recruitment involves blind resume screening, diverse hiring panels, and ongoing training to eliminate biases and promote equal opportunities for all candidates. How does your company encourage and support employees in pursuing further education or certifications? Supporting education involves tuition assistance programs, flexible scheduling for academic pursuits, and recognition for employees who attain additional qualifications. Can you discuss your company's approach to leveraging technology for business efficiency and innovation? Leveraging technology involves continuous investment in cutting-edge solutions, fostering a culture of digital innovation, and ensuring seamless integration of technology into business processes. How do you maintain transparency in financial reporting and communication with stakeholders? Financial transparency is maintained through clear reporting practices, regular updates to stakeholders, and adherence to accounting standards and regulations. Can you share experiences of successfully overcoming a significant business challenge? Certainly. Overcoming significant challenges involves strategic planning, collaboration, and resilience to navigate unforeseen obstacles and emerge stronger as a company. How does your company balance short-term financial goals with long-term sustainability objectives? Balancing financial goals involves aligning short-term decisions with long-term sustainability, considering environmental and social impacts in financial planning, and investing in sustainable practices. What steps do you take to encourage a culture of innovation among remote or distributed teams? Encouraging innovation in remote teams involves virtual collaboration tools, regular video meetings, and fostering a sense of connection and shared purpose among team members. How does your company contribute to industry knowledge sharing and collaboration? Contributing to industry knowledge involves participating in conferences, publishing research, and collaborating with other organizations to advance industry best practices. Can you discuss your company's approach to talent mobility and internal career development opportunities? Talent mobility involves identifying and nurturing internal talent, providing career development opportunities, and facilitating internal moves to support employee growth within the company. How does your company approach corporate training for new employees? New employees undergo a comprehensive onboarding program that includes training on company policies, procedures, and systems to ensure a smooth transition into their roles. Can you discuss your company's approach to fostering innovation in product design and development? Innovation in product design involves cross-functional collaboration, user feedback, and a focus on emerging technologies to create products that meet evolving customer needs. What steps do you take to ensure a diverse and inclusive workplace culture? Ensuring diversity and inclusion involves implementing inclusive hiring practices, providing diversity training, and fostering an environment where all employees feel valued and respected. How does your company support employees in maintaining a healthy work-life balance? Supporting work-life balance involves flexible work hours, remote work options, and wellness programs that prioritize the physical and mental well-being of employees. Can you share examples of successful employee retention strategies within your organization? Employee retention strategies include competitive benefits, professional development opportunities, and initiatives that recognize and reward long-term commitment to the company. What measures do you have in place to ensure data security and protect against cyber threats? Data security measures include encryption, regular security audits, and employee training to mitigate the risks of cyber threats and safeguard sensitive information. How does your company handle feedback from customers to improve products or services? Customer feedback is actively sought and used to improve products and services. Regular surveys, customer service feedback, and data analytics inform continuous improvement efforts. Can you discuss your company's approach to managing and resolving conflicts within the workplace? Conflict resolution involves open communication, mediation, and a focus on finding mutually beneficial solutions to ensure a harmonious work environment. How does your company adapt to changes in the regulatory environment that may impact business operations? Adapting to regulatory changes involves close monitoring of updates, legal consultations, and proactive adjustments to business processes to ensure compliance. Can you share experiences of successfully entering new markets or expanding existing ones? Certainly. Successful market entry involves market research, understanding local cultures, and developing tailored strategies to meet the unique demands of each market. How does your company stay connected with industry trends and emerging technologies? Staying connected involves participation in industry conferences, continuous education for employees, and fostering partnerships with technology leaders to remain at the forefront. What steps do you take to minimize the environmental impact of your company's operations? Minimizing environmental impact involves sustainable sourcing, energy-efficient practices, and initiatives to reduce waste and promote eco-friendly business operations. How does your company approach employee training and development for career advancement? Employee training for career advancement involves personalized development plans, mentorship programs, and opportunities for acquiring new skills to support professional growth. Can you discuss your company's approach to corporate social responsibility, CSR, and community engagement? CSR involves philanthropic initiatives, volunteer programs, and partnerships with local communities to contribute positively to society and address social challenges. What strategies do you employ to build and maintain a positive company culture? Building a positive company culture involves fostering open communication, recognizing achievements, and organizing team-building activities to strengthen employee relationships. How does your company ensure fair and equal opportunities for advancement within the organization? Ensuring equal opportunities involves transparent promotion processes, diversity training, and policies that support meritocracy to advance employees based on skills and performance. Can you discuss your company's approach to crisis communication and reputation management? Crisis communication involves a rapid response plan, clear messaging, and proactive communication to address concerns and protect the company's reputation during challenging times. What steps do you take to ensure supply chain resilience and mitigate potential disruptions? Supply chain resilience involves diversifying suppliers, implementing risk management strategies, and maintaining strategic reserves to minimize the impact of disruptions. How does your company encourage a culture of accountability and responsibility among employees? Encouraging accountability involves setting clear expectations, providing regular feedback, and fostering a sense of ownership among employees for their individual and team responsibilities. Can you share examples of successful employee empowerment initiatives within your organization? Certainly. Employee empowerment initiatives include delegation of decision-making authority, recognition programs, and a culture that values and encourages initiative at all levels. How does your company incorporate feedback from employees into decision-making processes? Incorporating employee feedback involves regular surveys, suggestion programs, and inclusion of employee representatives in decision-making discussions to ensure diverse perspectives are considered. Can you discuss your company's approach to innovation in marketing and reaching target audiences? Innovation in marketing involves data-driven strategies, creative campaigns, and leveraging digital platforms to connect with and engage target audiences effectively. What role does corporate culture play in the recruitment and onboarding process?